We are reporting live from Ground Zero, Marina Beach, the epicenter of pro-Jallikattu protest. Thousands have gathered here and they have only one demand: lift the ban on Jallikattu, and they are pressurizing both the central and the state governments with regards to lifting the ban on Jallikattu. Though the state government has clearly said that they can't do anything with regard to Jallikattu, it's only the central that can do something. But now the central government has also made it clear, since the matter is sub judice, they can't go ahead and do something. So they will have to wait for, the protesters will have to wait for the Supreme Court's final order on Jallikattu. But here on Ground Zero, protesters are swelling. They are turning out in large numbers. Since yesterday, we have been seeing protesters are showing no signs of slowing down, and the protests are only escalating. And today we could see the entire stretch of this Marina Beach, which is a landmark location in Chennai, it's completely filled with people. The entire 10-kilometer stretch, we can only find protesters raising one slogan: ban PETA, lift the ban on Jallikattu. So these are the two demands, and even as we speak, the senior officials of the Chennai police are right now doing a survey to ensure security along the stretch, though the protesters have outnumbered the cops who are here, who have been posted here, and the protests are going on, and the protesters are not willing to leave this place for the past 56 hours. So clearly the protest is intensifying, it's escalating. It's escalating, and it's clearly showing no signs of slowing down, though the protesters, though the police tried to engage with the protesters in some kind of dialogue. The protesters were hopeful that there will be some kind of positive outcome in the meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister O. Paneerselvam, but that seems to have disappointed.